going to Seattle. Look at this beautiful house of my sister's that we could stay in at any time we want. She's rarely here. What a beautiful place. Wow, it's really great. I might take her up on that. Got my wife and my daughter. Yeah, we just saw the horse and we're gonna see the water. Got to get some tickets out. Hi, going to Seattle. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Fairly well.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, we got blessed with a good day from a government worker. Down to the ferry, wait for the cars to get off, get on the ferry, and then go to Seattle. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. Need birds or boats or something because I'm with my daughter today and my wife. Okay, we're walking down to see the boat departing. You want to get in on this? Yeah, see, we have a view of the boat. Okay, want to see that? Are you scared?
Get up and walk to you, girl. I see you're not the same. You say you're sick and working long hours. That you have sharp pains. Come on over here, babe. So you need to settle down. I have a calming spirit of which you have found.
Okay, we made it to my sister's house and Uncle James is here. And we're gonna take a look at the foundation, but for now we're gonna sit here and look at the beautiful view. It's a 4-inch, see babe? See how these are 4-inch minimum so she doesn't fall through?
Yeah, but oh, she might get through that one.
Yeah, no.
She might get through that
Well, her
one.
head won't go through. You a no guy? James says just tell the baby no. We're gonna check the piling. He's disappeared, man. He's disappeared. Anyway, we're gonna go down and look at the base of these piling. Okay, do you have your harness? Be back in a few minutes.
All right.
just down here in Magnolia doing an inspection on this little house. He is. I'm just with him. Inspection on the posting. What the heck?
You can have it.
Is it? Wow.
It's a toy.
Native American.
Okay, doing a test on the bathroom. Look at this nice house. Is that a king's bed or queen's? It's a king bed.
Of the night, you got me wondering if you are alright.
Doing a walkthrough on this house and then looking at the different amenities. Look at this beautiful house of my sister's that we could stay at any time we want. It's overlooking Elliott Bay. What a beautiful place.
Get up and walk to you, girl. I see you're not the same. You say you're sick and working long hours, that you have sharp pains.
This is my sister's house here in Magnolia Beach in Elliott Bay. What a beautiful view you got. Let's take a look.
Come on over here, babe. You need to settle down.
All the way from the Olympic Mountains, Puget Sound, to Seattle, and the Cascade Mountains. A little bit of restoration and that should be good to go. This needs a little bit of repair here and there. There's the Olympic Mountains, Puget Sound, and there is Seattle.
I have a calming spirit.